Hi everyone, welcome back. This is JP Matthew. Today we are going to prepare a very delicious pork chilli. So when I was working in Bangalore, I used to go to a restaurant and they had this dish and I got this recipe from them. It's very delicious and it's very tasty. You should try this. Let's get started.
Here is what we need for today's preparation. 1 kilo pork cut into cubes. Now let's prepare the pork. We need to marinate it before pressure cook. Let's move the cut pork into the pressure cooker. Add some pepper powder, 1 tablespoon. Add some turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. I've taken 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Let's add that as well. Add some salt, depends on your taste. And we have to mix this well. Add half cup of water to it. Now let's start cooking. Cook this on a medium heat for 3 whistles. Since it is pork, we need to make sure that it is cooked well. While it cooks, let's prepare the bell pepper. Bell pepper is also known as capsicum, especially in UK, in India and other parts of the world. It's known as capsicum, but in North America it's known as bell pepper. For this preparation I have taken 2 bell peppers. If you want to add more, you can add. If you like more vegetables, please feel free to add more. You have to remove that white part. It's having a bitter taste, so before you cut into pieces we have to remove that. I'm just cutting this in a cube shape so that gives a little attractiveness to your dish. Now let's take the cherry tomatoes. If you don't have cherry tomatoes, you can use a normal tomato, cut into pieces. It's more to give the taste. Let us slice the green chilies. I have taken around 6 or 7 green chilies. And if you like it more spicy, you can add more green chilies. Same goes with pepper. And if you like it more spicy, you can add more pepper. Let's prepare the garlic. Mince the garlic. Once this is done, we have to prepare the onion. So I have taken 3 onions. These are small ones, that's why I've taken 3, and if it's big onions you just need probably 1 or 2. So you have to cut these onions into cubes and separate the layers. And for this preparation we don't cut into slices, we separate the layers of this onion. Now let's take some ginger. Now the cooker has started to whistle. Let's wait for another 2 more whistles. Now the pork is cooked. We have to strain the stock and set it aside. We need this stock for later. Heat the pan, add 4 tablespoons oil to it. Let's add the pork. We're going to fry this pork and set it aside. So we have to fry this until it becomes brown. It'll take approximately 10-12 minutes. Depends on how brown you want this to be. We're going to do this in medium to high heat. Let's set this aside. Add some oil to the same pan. Add ginger, garlic and 2 green chilies. Once it turns light brown, you can add the onion. And we have to saute it until it becomes soft. Let's add the bell peppers or capsicum. Add the cherry tomatoes. You can use normal tomatoes for this, you don't have to use cherry tomatoes. Add hot chili sauce, 1.5 tablespoons. If you want to have more spicy, you can add more. Now let's add the soya sauce. Soya sauce has salt, so check the salt now, and if you need more, you can add it now. Wait until this becomes a little soft. Add the stock. Now we have to add the fried pork. Mix it well. We have to wait until this becomes dry. Now let's add the tomato sauce to a tablespoon. If you like more in brown color, you can fry the pork a little more. I like it this way. So now we have to mix it and wait until it becomes dry. It smells very good. Pork chili is almost ready. Let's serve in a plate, and you have to serve this hot, and this is very good with fried rice or even white rice or noodles. This goes with pretty much anything. You can even have it by itself. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you liked it, share with your friends, and please do share your feedback in the comment section.
This has come out very well. You should definitely give this a try. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. Thank you.